Okay, hi, we're back again. I know I did a nature hour last time. This time we're going to be checking out this area where cotton is usually planted. This is a field in South Carolina. Every October going into November, we have cotton that's planted. And this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. And then you can see where there are some buds. And then you can see where it's split open and you can see the actual cotton starting to flower there. It's pretty pretty. Look at how pretty it is. It is so beautiful. People use cotton sometimes in their floral arrangements around this time of the season. So we're just walking a little bit, we're catching some fresh air, and as you can see, this cotton field goes pretty far back. It stretches all the way back there and all the way around. But it's just really neat to see the process that it goes through. They usually spray cotton before they pick it, so it's never okay to just go and start picking it yourself. I see people all the time get out of their car and they pick the cotton not knowing that it's sprayed with a very toxic chemical. They usually spray it before they pick it, so you never really want to go into a cotton field and start touching the cotton if you're not sure whether or not they have sprayed yet. But it's very interesting to see that something like this is where we get some of our clothing and materials from. So just wanted to share that with you. I thought it was neat. There's mosquitoes out here, so I'm going to go. Don't want to get bitten by anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little nature hour. If you have any questions or facts about cotton, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.